back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have my top 5 from my March tray. And if you've been rocking and rolling with me this month, probably a lot of these fragrances it won't be new. It won't be surprised. But we're going to get right into it. And I do have an honorable mention that I wanted to mention in this top because, honey, she's been a goer and she has been with me every step of the way. I feel like I've been combining her and pairing her and doing combinations with her and been dragging her down, okay? And that is Jo Malone, okay? And this is the wood, sage, and sea salt. Oh my goodness. You are so good. If you're looking for like your skin but better, a woody smell, however, that also has this salt marina type of feel, this is what you want. I paired this with probably everything that we're going to talk about in this top 5, and it just added that close to skin saltiness that I love. I love a good like marina ocean type of smell. I love the blend in that with fragrances, but this adds that wood, this adds that sage, so you know, you kind of like zen. It's just so good and I love it down. Had to be an honorable mention because I was wearing her down, but I was wearing her down with other things. Moving on. So next up, we have this vanilla cinnamon warm spicy, okay, scent with saffrons in this as well. This is so good, and I got a compliment on this. And you can tell when you are a fragrance girly and when you're not, because when you tell people, when they say, you know, oh, you smell so good, and they want to know what you're wearing, you tell them, they're like, oh, okay. Well, that is Goldfield and Banks. Silky Woods. Oh man, I went to the doctor's office and I wore these two things together, and I love them together because the wood sage and sea salt gave me that saltiness, but this, the cinnamon in this, the saffron, the wood, the vanilla, this is so good. And she was like, you smell so good. And when I told her what it was, she was like, oh, okay. So it's like, you know, when you got your fragrance girlies and when you know the people that are like, oh, I've never heard of that, but this is so good. So if you're looking for a cinnamon, vanilla, saffron, something that's sexy, something that can, I mean, honestly go with you throughout the spring. I'm not sure about the summer, but we'll see. I feel like this is a goer in the summer too, but just last throughout the seasons. That is so good. Get you compliments. You smell good, but you're not overpowering, because when I did get that compliment, my doctor, she's pregnant, so it didn't turn her off, right, to it. So, you know, you don't have to be, you know, embarrassed by this or offensive. This is so good. Highly recommend you get Silky Woods from Goldfield and Banks. That was one of my top 5 and I loved it down. Okay, moving on. Next up, another cinnamon, but we got banana, we got rum, we got dates in this, and yeah, you know what I was talking about. Ambrosia Imperial, yes, yes, and yes. Compliments, yes. Amazing, yes. All the things, definitely a part of my top 5. I love this down. I really like, I don't have to douse myself with this. I know people, I see people's bottles and they be down to here. I'm like, I don't really have to douse myself with this because I smell it. It's so powerful, projecting, and impactful. Like, I don't have to like do her like that. I'm not gonna do you like that. Not to say that y'all don't have to do her like that, but I don't have to. I smell it. I smell good. I get compliments. I love her, and she's good. So from Navitus, Ambrosia Imperial in partnership with VAI the Great. This is amazing. I love this down. Definitely a part of my top 5. And she's just so good. And the banana and the fruit and the cinnamon and cozy. Okay, whatever you want to get into, she gonna get you in trouble. So just be prepared. And you already know, because you already got your bottle. So you already know. The stories are just coming in your mind. Yup, that one. Moving on. Another top 5. We've talked about her. We've had a video. Honey, yes. A part of my top 5 is from the Dua brand. And this is Be in Love with Pistachio Gelato. Okay. This is a hybrid brand with Killian's Love Don't Be Shy and the Dua's brand Pistachio Gelato. This is amazing. This is good. Like, if you are looking for a good pistachio, nutty, creamy, but sweet and sexy pistachio fragrance, this is it. Honey, look at this juice. Yeah, it's giving sexy. Okay, the brown is giving sexy. So I would highly recommend. I had a good time with this, honey. Of course, this had to be a part of my top 5. Dua comes through the clutch. I don't care what nobody says. If you're not into it, cool. But Dua be coming through with the juice. And I appreciate it. I love this. Highly would recommend you get your hands, your coins, your $60. And sometimes they got deals. So your $33 on this beauty right here. So good. Had to be in my top 5. Next up, you know this had to be a part of my top 5. I talked about this down. And that is Dylan Blue from Versace. This is so good. This fruity Granny Smith apple, berries, like, this is so good, okay? And it has rose. So if you're looking for a fruity floral, you know, we have some jasmine in this and rose. You have peach in this. If you're looking for a fragrance that, although it has a lot of notes, and when I'm talking about a lot, it's a lot, but that really blends well together, really gives you that fruit and rose, and that combination just sits so well. If you're looking for something like this, don't look any further. Look for this. This is so good. Highly recommend. I enjoyed this. This was a classic throwback, but I had to throw it up at the front, and definitely she got to the top 5, so she was a winner. Got compliments. This is so good. Highly recommend you get your hands on this, or if it's in your collection already, pull it out, sis. Okay, it's time to dust it off. Moving on. And last but certainly not least is Pink Pepper Jasmine Chestnut Whipped Cream. You know what I'm talking about. Been talking about it a lot. You like I'm sick of you talking about it. So, of course, it was on my top 5, and that is Voltaire and Voltaire. Yes, this is her. Yeah, you knew. I knew you knew. This is so good. Like, if I had a signature scent, yep, this is what I would want to smell like. Like, this is so good. This gives me my easy reach, my skin but better, but also gives me depth. Like, this is it. Like, so good. I love this. This is like my signature work scent, I've said before, but this had to be on my top 5. Of course, you all have heard me talk about this plenty of times this month. And yeah, it's only right to tell you all the truth. I've been wearing her down. Addictive. So highly recommend you get your nose, your hands on this beauty. And honey, the deals that you would get on this, why not? Exactly. Why not? Moving on. Well, that's all, family, for my top 5 from my March tray. Hey, what were you rocking and rolling with in the month of March? I would love to know what you loved and was rocking, okay, this month. Comment down below. Let your sis know, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. And make sure you're good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.